Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is high order function in JavaScript. In JavaScript, a higher order function is a function that can take one or more functions as arguments. Return a function as a result. This means a higher order function either operates on functions by accepting them as arguments or produce a new function as a return value. Here are few examples. Example 1, function that takes a function as an argument. Here we have a two function, one is greet and another one is say goodbye and another one is callback. Okay, now in the greet function we have a console.log hello, it's representing with name, and in the say goodbye we are printing that console.log. So when we call with greet function, in the name place we are assigning with allies, and in the callback function we are following with the say goodbye function. This is called a higher order function. In this in this case, greet is a higher order function. Sorry, greet is a higher order function because it takes say goodbye as an argument. Function that returns a function. See, here we have a multiply by function, and that returns a function which is number, return is equal to number into factor. So when we call with the multiply by 2 and console.log with multiply by 2 because 5, so that output is 10. Here multiply by is a higher order function because it returns a new function that multiplies a number by given factor. Common higher order functions in JavaScript. So array methods like map, filter, reduce are higher order functions because they accept callback functions as arguments. Example with map. See, here we have a array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and numbers dot map, it's a number lambda number into 2. So when we call with doubled, the output is 2468 because this map function calls the callback function. Here, higher order functions are powerful features in JavaScript, enabling functional programming techniques such as composition, currying, and more. So, this is all about higher order functions in JavaScript. Thank you.